Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to a new episode for part 2 of lesson 19 from book 1. We will continue to practice counting today. We had a few more nouns left to count in exercise 4 on page 107. The ism that we stopped at last time was riyalun. Riyal. Let's read the list together. ريال واحد ريالان اثنان ثلاثة ريالات. Remember the plural of ريال is ريالات. So for 3 we say ثلاثة ريالات أربعة ريالات خمسة ريالات ستة ريالات سبعة ريالات ثمانية ريالات تسعة ريالات and finally عشرة ريالات. The next ism is qirsh. Qirsh is 1/10 of a riyal. Its plural is qurush, which is on فعول pattern. Let's start counting it. قرش واحد قرشان اثنان ثلاثة قروش أربعة قروش خمسة قروش ستة قروش سبعة قروش ثمانية قروش تسعة قروش and عشرة قروش. Next we have أخ, a brother. أخ واحد أخوان اثنان ثلاثة إخوة أربعة إخوة خمسة إخوة ستة إخوة سبعة إخوة ثمانية إخوة تسعة إخوة عشرة إخوة. And the final ism is ibnun, a son. ابن واحد ابنان اثنان ثلاثة أبناء أربعة أبناء خمسة أبناء ستة أبناء سبعة أبناء ثمانية أبناء تسعة أبناء and عشرة أبناء. Before moving on to the next exercise, let's test ourselves to see how well we do with the numbers in random order. We will use the ism baytun, a house. How do we say 5 houses? 5 houses is خمسة بيوت. How about 2 houses? بيتان اثنان, or simply بيتان. Now we want to say 10 houses. عشرة بيوت. 6 houses. ستة بيوت. 3 houses. ثلاثة بيوت. 8 houses. ثمانية بيوت. 7 houses. سبعة بيوت. 1 house. بيت واحد. 9 houses. تسعة بيوت. 4 houses. أربعة بيوت. Very good. Hope you did well. If you need to improve on it, try to spend a few minutes every day practicing to count all these nouns given in this exercise until you get better. Now we will go to page 107 and do exercise 3. In this exercise, we should answer the questions using the numbers given in the parentheses. The مثال is كم كتابا عندك? How many books do you have? كم كتابا عندك? The answer is عندي ثلاثة كتب. I have 3 books. عندي ثلاثة كتب. Part 1. كم أخا لك يا حامد? How many brothers do you have, O Hamid? We should use 5 based on the number given in the parentheses. How can Hamid say, I have 5 brothers? He can say, لي 5 إخوة. Question 2. كم عمًا لك يا ليلى? How many paternal uncles do you have, O Layla? Notice we are using jar majroor laki, not laka, because the question is directed to Layla, who is a female. We should use number 4 in the answer. What would be her response? She can say, لي 4 أعمام. I have 4 uncles. لي 4 أعمام. Notice we are using the plural of عم, which is أعمام. Question 3. كم ابنا لك يا شيخ? How many sons do you have, O Shaykh? What would be his response? لي 6 أبناء. I have 6 sons. لي 6 أبناء. Question 4. كم سؤالا في هذا الدرس? How many questions are in this lesson? كم سؤالا في هذا الدرس? Let's say 8 questions are in it. We can start our response with فيه, in it. What should be the full response then? فيه 8 أسئلة, right? فيه 8 أسئلة. So instead of في الدرس, we are using ضمير متصل and saying فيه. Question 5. كم راكبا في الحافلة? How many passengers are on the bus? كم راكبا في الحافلة? راكب is a new word and it means a passenger. Its plural is ركاب, which is on فعال pattern. حافلة is also new. It means a bus. Its plural is سالم, which is حافلات, buses, حافلات. We should use the number 9 to answer this question. The response will have the similar structure to our last answer to question 4. Our full response should be فيها 9 ركاب. Notice here we are using فيها instead of فيه. In other words, we are using مؤنث ضمير متصل ها in فيها because الحافلة is مؤنث. Question 6. كم ريالا في جيبك? How many riyals are in your pocket? كم ريالا في جيبك? What would be your response to this question? You should say في جيبي or فيه 7 ريالات. 7 riyals are in my pocket or in it. Question 7. كم ثمن هذا الكتاب? How much is the price of this book? كم ثمن هذا الكتاب? We have a new word in this question and it is ثمن, which means a price or a cost. ثمن هذا is the مضاف and مضاف إليه combination, meaning the price of this. That is why مضاف ثمن is losing its tanween. Can you find tamiz in this question? You might have thought ثمن is the tamiz, but remember tamiz is the mansub ism. But ثمن is marfu' as it is ending with dhamma. The question was a little tricky because the tamiz is hidden in this question and it is implied to be riyalan or any other word denoting the monetary unit. So the complete question is كم ريالا ثمن هذا الكتاب? كم ريالا ثمن هذا الكتاب? How much riyals is the price of this book? But it is shortened to be كم ثمن هذا الكتاب, to mean how much does this book cost? In response to it, how can we say its price is 10 riyals in Arabic? We can say ثمنه 10 ريالات. So here, ضمير متصل هو in ثمنه is referring to الكتاب. So instead of ثمن هذا الكتاب, we are saying ثمنه. Very good. This is a good point to finish the episode. We will continue going through the exercises next time and see some more examples with added and ma'dud to sharpen our skills. I will see you in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.